I think that those of us who love this country believe in peaceful protest. Not paying your taxes won't go under constitutionally protected peaceful protest, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't protest the IRS or the DRS, God forbid, by burning down the Capitol where our friends in the Treasury are. You will get arrested. You will get arrested if you don't file your tax return as part of protest. You'll get your passport taken away if it's a certain amount. Over 66,000, they can take your passport. You don't file as a means of protest. It's 7% interest that compounds daily. And once it gets over 66,000, as I said, they can literally get your passport revoked. So whether you love her, so what we say to folks on other financial issues, policy, not politics. You want to give, the impolite finger to the current administration. We're not saying you should. If you feel like doing that, guess what? Get control of your social capital, your taxes. How you arrange your fares greatly determines how much money goes to Washington. So there's ways to gift money, give money to the charities that you support, organizations that may be resisting this current administration. People that for years that come to us and you hear about it on the radio, and I'm not promoting any of the things that you hear on the radio or the internet. And it comes out of, okay, well, I didn't do it a couple of years. Now I'm afraid if I do file my tax return, I'm going to go to jail and all this stuff. Hey, listen, the the sooner you take care of a problem, the better off you are, whether it's filing your taxes or something else that you should be doing that you haven't been doing. You haven't gone to the dentist for 20 years. Go now so you don't get gum disease or something. Same thing with the IRS. You know, file your back taxes. I would call a tax professional. It's worth having a CPA who knows what to do. Yep, you're going to have to pay what you owed. You're going to have to pay interest, and you're going to have to pay a penalty. If they come looking for you, it'll be worse. IRS is more likely to come after the $600,000 wage earner with a W-2, and they can't match it up to a tax return a lot quicker and a lot more with alacrity and severity that you wouldn't see at the 50, 60,000. And they're probably not going to do that. But I will tell you this: if you have a W-2 and you don't file your 2025 tax return, you will get a notice because computers, and especially after all the Doge guys went in and updated everything, now they so their systems are pretty good. If a 1099 is missed, they'll send a notice out. Hey, we got this 1099. We ran it through the computer. There's no tax return matching picking that 1099 up. What happened? Honest mistake. Okay, we get it. No fraud, no prison,